Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.1c on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Kali Linux official website and download kali.org. Then click on download. See here we have the two types of downloads, installer images or virtual machines. Okay, so I am going with installer images. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is Kali Linux 2025.1c. But if you want older versions, you have to click on this Kali Linux releases. Okay, there you will find all older versions. So first click on it. See, it is released on 28th April 2025. It is same as 2025.1, but with a new version of the Kali archive keyring that contains new automatic archive signing key. Okay, so just click on get Kali, then click on installer images, then download. See here you have the different types of downloads, direct download or torrent download. I am going with the direct download. It is up to you. Click on download button. Once we click on download started, go to download. See here its size is 4.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. See here I have already downloaded Kali Linux 2025.1c ISO image. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description or search for my YouTube channel. How to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Okay, open VirtualBox. See, these are the virtual machines available on VirtualBox. If you want to create new one, click on new or machine and select new. Either is same. Click on new, then provide the name for the VirtualBox. I'm giving Kali 2025.1c. This is the virtual machine name. Then we have to select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down, select other, then go to downloads, then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down, then select other, then go to downloads where you have the Kali Linux 2025.1c ISO image. Select it and click on open. See, once we select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Ubuntu, but select the Debian. Then select the Debian 64-bit. I will show you later why I asked you to select this Debian. Okay, then come to hardware. Here by default memory is selected as 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to. Then hard disk, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or go to machine and select settings, or just click on this settings. All three options are same to edit the settings of this virtual machine. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the Kali Linux 2025.1c on VirtualBox. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location and see here the selected location will be used to set the time zone and also for example to select the system locally. Okay, so select your region from this list. If your region is not listed, then select other. Okay, so select your region or location and click on continue. Select keyboard model. I am going with American English, then click on next. Now we have to provide the host name or computer name. Later also we can change this. I am giving Kali. See, I have given this one, but later also we can change this one. Then click on continue. Then we have to provide the domain name. I don't have any domain, so I am going to keep it as blank and continue. Now we have to create our setup user. So I am giving user full name as R2 scores. See, this is just user full name, not the actual username. Click on continue. See here, this is the actual username. Okay, I'm okay with the same. Click on continue. Now we have to set the password for this user. Click on continue. Now see here, it populated the time zones related to the United States because I have selected location as United States. That's why it is populated these time zones. Then click on, I'm going with Eastern, so click on continue. Then partition disks, I'm going with guided use entire disk. But if you want to configure manually or with LVM, you can select them and you can configure. It is up to you. Click on continue. Continue. All files in one partition. Then click on continue. This is just confirmation. Select the finished partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Select, this is just confirmation again. Select yes and continue. See, now it is installing base system. Now software selection. See here, by default it has selected desktop environment XFCE. Okay, XFCE is the Kali Linux default desktop environment. But if you want Genome or KDE Plasma, you can select this. And these remaining, see here, collection of tools. Okay, and top 10 most popular tools, default and recommended tools. So I want to install both all. But optionally, if you want to select this Genome, but if you want to select Genome or KDE Plasma, you can select just by clicking on the checkbox. It is up to you. I'm going with the defaults, that is XFCE. So click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm skipping this part. See, now install the grub bootloader. And see here, install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. So select yes and click on continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting installation. So then after removing the installation medium, we have to hit enter to reboot. So go to VirtualBox. See here, select the VirtualBox from the list and see here the secondary device optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on it. Then click on remove the disk from the virtual drive. So here no need to remove because it is already removed. Go to virtual machine. Then click on continue to reboot. Now provide the username that we have created and password. Then click on login or hit enter. Now try to maximize it. See, you got the full screen. Okay. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font. Preference file preferences. Change the font size. Click on OK. Click on apply. See, font size has been increased. Let me increase the terminal size. Now verify the version that we have installed /etc os-release. See, we have installed 2025.1 and see here its ID is like Debian. That's why at the time of virtual machine creation, I asked you to select the Debian. Okay. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux 2025.1 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is updating. Okay. So click on application menu. See here we have the different applications. See, we have different sections. Information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web applications, etc. is there. Okay. Or you can directly search like Nmap. See here we have the different Nmap. application. Okay, bow suit. See, we have the bow suit. The same Wireshark. See, here we have the Wireshark application. Okay, so this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.1c on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.